For the momos we will need refined flour, whole wheat flour, oil and salt. Mix together maida and atta. Rub oil into it. Add salt and water and knead into a stiff dough. Cover with a damp cloth and keep for at least 20 to 30 minutes. For the filling we will need cabbage, carrot, green chilies, ginger, onion, salt, soy sauce and oil. Shred the vegetables and chop the chilies and ginger as shown. Heat a pan, add oil, chop chilies, chop ginger and stir. Add the vegetables, soy sauce, salt and mix well. Allow the mixture to cool completely. Portion and make small balls out of the dough. Roll the ball into a thin sheet. Make sure the edges are thin as possible. Place the stuffing in the center and close it in any shape you like. Oil the steamer pans and place the momos. Steam the momos for around 15 to 20 minutes. For the garlic chili chutney, cut tomatoes and red dried chilies as shown. Boil them until soft. Try to remove the tomato skin if possible. In a mixing jar put few cloves of garlic, boiled tomatoes and chili and some salt and grind to a fine paste. Serve hot with garlic chili sauce and garnish with spring onion greens. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.